What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. We have one story today, and it is all about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, and it's basically everything that you wanted to know, including amazing looking photos. Now, these leaks come from the website called WinFuture, which I'll link down below if you want to check out. And just to talk a little bit about this phone, first of all, you are going to have a Snapdragon 855 Plus inside of the phone, along with an aspect ratio of 22:9 with a resolution of 2636 by 1080. So you're looking at a 1080p plus display with an Infinity O punch hole for the camera on the front there. It's got that rumored ultra thin glass covering the display panel, so it should make it a little bit more durable than that Galaxy Fold 1. There's also a 1.06 inch display on the outside with Gorilla Glass 6. Now, that display on the outside will be able to display the time and notifications and has the ability to be always on. Internally, you'll also get 8 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage, no micro SD slots, so keep that in mind, and also no 5G support. You get 2 cameras on the back, which is a 12 megapixel primary sensor and a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle. The front camera is a 10 megapixel front-facing camera, and it supports autofocus. The total battery capacity of the Galaxy Z Flip is 3,300 milliamps, and it supports 15-watt fast charging and 9-watt wireless charging. Also, as you've been seeing, you've seen the purple in this phone. That's one of the colors, and also the black. That's one of the other colors. Some of the other colors that are supposed to be released, I talked about this yesterday, should be gold and silver as well, but that purple looks awesome. Also, from the photos, you can see that you can openly have this set to an angles of 70 and 110 degrees, and obviously just flat as well. Very, very interesting device. February 14th is supposed to be the release date for that, which is only a couple weeks or 3 weeks from now. 2 weeks actually, from 2-3 weeks from this point right now, that you could actually purchase that phone and have it in hand, which is freaking crazy. Also, the price is supposed to be around $1,400, so it's gonna be very expensive. But I don't really know, what do you guys think of that phone at this point? Seeing that we've seen even more photos and gotten even more information about it, let me know in the comments down below. I want it, but it's so damn expensive. Damn, I don't know. Thanks for watching. See you down the road. Peace.